Gold and silver traded sideways with moderate bullishness, I can say, yesterday. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect the bulls to continue from here? Can we expect gold to trade beyond 3400 levels today? Or the highs are done and we should wait for a reversal? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly charts, you can clearly see it is trading in a range and see it has formed a good cusp here. Lower highs, higher lows are seen waiting for a breakout either which ways. Now if you see gold trading beyond 3386, 3390 levels, you can initiate the buys and expect it to give you a breakout move, which is going to take it above 3400. And this time if gold trades above 3400, we are looking forward to a greater rise. This might take gold prices all the way towards 342022 or in fact 3440 levels. Notice what has happened here: rise, retracement, and then this rise. Now I'll wait for the next candle. If it stays beyond 3385-86, you can buy, expect 3390-92, 3400, 3402, and then beyond that more bullishness should prevail. Yes, it has formed a good support at 3370 and trading below which you can expect slight bearishness. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are rising, suggestive of more bullishness ahead. Look at 2-hour chart, similar observation. See, rise, retracement. It was trading in a zone here. It is trying to deliver a breakout here. Just let it stay beyond 3385-86 and then expect it to move higher towards 3390-92 or 3400 levels. Moving averages are bullish, stochastic rising. MACD has retraced, waiting for a crossover here which will confirm further bullishness, and the RSI is rising. On the 3 similar observation. See, on the 3-hour charts, another observation here is the support it is taking from the 20 period, which is pretty strong. And does any move below 3370 will confirm a reversal. If you see gold trading below 3370, consider that as a reversal, and this time we can expect it to in fact trade below 3350 levels. So 3370 is the key zone today which it has to break in order to confirm further bearishness. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is flat here. On the 4-hour charts, when you see similar observations, support from 20 period pretty strong. With that as support, prices are trying to bounce back, however, I'll say it has to break beyond 3385-86, and then beyond that you can expect 3390-92, 3400 should be there very soon. Moving averages bullish, stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over for a sell. MACD is the one which is after a good rise, it is crossed over for a sell and it is trading with moderate bearishness. RSI is staying flat. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts you can see what it has delivered. We can notice lower highs are there, higher lows are there, zone of consolidation here. I'll still not confirm this as bullish as long as yesterday's highs are not taken, which means now it is pretty important for gold to trade beyond 3390-92 zone in order to confirm the move towards 3400 levels here. Beyond 3400 certainly it is going to be trading strongly bullish. Notice what's happening here. See how I see this as drop, stronger rise, sideways movement, and now if it delivers a breakout, if it trades beyond 3400, 3402, you can look forward to a move towards 3420 and in fact 3440 levels possibly. We have to definitely watch out today's move. It is going to be very crucial. Also on the downside, see higher lows are seen, which means it is pretty important for gold to trade below 3370, 3350 levels, and if that is taken, in fact prices can reverse. I will still not treat this as bullish as long as 3400 is not taken. See, I see this as a bearish channel and possibly a down move cannot be denied. Though the moving averages are bullish, stochastic is overbought, the MACD is also rising, supportive of further bullishness, and the RSI is flat. So looking at this, now before I provide you the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts 1st of September. This is the 34th batch. Reserve your seats now itself. Connect with me for any of your queries. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Reach out to me. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first, where you should buy, very clear, 3385-86 you can buy, expect 3390-92 as the first target zone, 3400-3402 as the second, and then I'll expect gold to move towards 3420 and in fact 3432, 3440 levels should be there, beyond which 3450 is the next, and if at all gold prices trades above 3450, it is going to move towards 3500 very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 33.7. In fact, you can sell at 33.74 itself. Expect 33.70, 68 as the first target zone, 33.60 as the next. Any point of time, gold trading below 33.60, stay short for 33.50. And below 33.50, this time we are going to look forward to a greater down move towards 33, 32, 34 and 33.20 levels. Below 33.20, it is going to deliver a greater correction towards 3300 levels. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver, after staying in a zone, taking the support now from 20 period, trying to break out here. Yes, a move beyond $38 levels should confirm further bullishness, and a move beyond 38.20, 30 is a sign of a breakout here. Beyond 38.20, 38.30 zone, we can look forward to a greater up move here. Notice how silver is traded. You can see this after the rise, staying in a zone, then the rise, staying in a zone, and again looking upwards, clearly delivering higher lows, higher highs. The highs are aiming towards 38.20, 30, which should be a greater resistance zone for silver on the upside. Stochastic rising, the MACD is again after a retracement crossing over here, which is a supportive sign for the bulls. RSI rising. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation. Notice the moving averages have crossed over. These are trading bullish, and the price is trading with the support from the 20 period here. Now, once it stays beyond 38.10, you can expect 38.20, 38.30 levels, which is a good resistance zone. And beyond 38.30, this time it is going to head towards 38.50, 60. And beyond 38.60, it is $39 levels. But I think the up move is pretty stickier. See, the drop was sharp, the retracement is gradual, which suggests this is a retracement, not a reversal. And this suggests that only bullishness is in silver is if it trades beyond 38.30. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over for a sell, and this is sitting at the top, which is a slight bearish sign. RSI rising. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here on the 3-hour chart. The support here from the 20 period pretty strong. With that as support, price is trying to bounce back, which suggests that if you see now silver trading below 37.80, you can take a sell here. Expect it to move towards 37.60. Any move below 37.60 is a clear sign of a greater correction here. Below 37.60, you can say that silver is turning bearish. You can expect 37.30 and 37 as the next target zone. Stochastic getting overbought. MACD has retraced. RSI is rising. On the 4-hour chart, any similar observation here on the 4-hour chart. See, it has formed a very strong base now at 37.80. Thus, bearishness is only and only if you see silver trading below 37.80. With that, it is trying to rise. It is forming an expansion here, expanding triangle. And now I'll wait for it to stay above 38.10, which will confirm the next move towards 38.25, 30. And if that is taken, you can expect a stronger rise. Moving average is convergent here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. Coming to daily, now see on the daily charts, first of all, greener candles, straight greener candles. Diminishing bullishness is very important. You can see the body sizes here are reducing in nature, which suggests that the bulls are getting exhausted here. Also notice today it is started with higher lows and it is trying to move towards the median of the Bollinger Bands. That is why I say only buying entry has to be above 38.10, and then too with the caution and a rider that it has to break beyond 38.25, 30 in order to confirm further bullishness. Else notice after this drop, it has retraced lower highs. It can possibly reverse from the current levels, and the drop is going to be sharp enough for it to trade lower towards 37.40 or in fact 37. Stochastic rising, the MACD bearish, the RSI flat. So looking at this, I'll only recommend you to buy once you see silver trading above 38.10. Then too with the rider that 38.25, 30 till here. The buying trade is riskier. Beyond 38.30 is where you can expect 38.50, 60 and then $39 levels as the next targets. On the downside, take a sell at 37.80, expect 37.60, first target zone 37.40, 30 as the next and 37 as the last one. Yes, it can move towards 37, below which a greater correction should follow. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates, so all that as well. Thank you.